How are you, friends? I hope you are doing well. What do you think about garlic and the benefits of garlic? First of all, if we take days and days to talk about benefits of garlic, it will not be sufficient. Briefly, why is garlic healthy for you? Number one, garlic helps boost your body's immune system. In the first place, body's immunity is what keeps it from getting sick. Body's immunity helps in the fight against illness when it is needed. Garlic boosts our immune system naturally and helps us to fight colds and viruses. Number two, garlic helps reduces high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a risk factor for heart diseases. High blood pressure is suspected to cause 70% of strokes and heart attacks. So it is extremely important to well control our blood pressure. Taking garlic in our diet lower and control our blood pressure. Garlic helps reduces cholesterol level. There is two kinds of cholesterol, bad one of low density lipoprotein and good one of high density lipoprotein. Garlic shown to lower bad cholesterol and don't affect good cholesterol. Another very important thing, garlic helps with and prevents cancer. Consuming fresh garlic can help lessen the risk of colon cancer. Garlic has antibiotic properties. It is shown to suppress the growth of fungi, protozoa, viral infection, and bacterial infection, even salmonella. Garlic improves athletic performance. As we know, garlic can help us in decreasing level of cholesterol, lowering blood pressure, boost immunity, reduce the length of illness. All this will make your heart fit and your body fit, making you doing very well. Garlic helps detox your body because it is a powerful detoxifying food. Garlic promotes glutathione production. It contains also sulfur and selenium, which is a powerful detoxifying agent. Due to having antioxidant properties, it prevents any oxidative damage in your body and so prevents cognitive diseases like dementia and Alzheimer. Finally, don't forget to like this video, share it with your family, your friends. See you soon. Thank you.